Let's see what we get today from our chaos drop, from our daily wins. Okay. Okay, this match is looking tough. Oh, man. Come on, let me get the ball. Okay, come on, teammate. What is my teammate doing? He's just standing there. Bro. Okay, I'm back. Come on. Get my super. Boom. Got the Mortis. Lily's gonna come back. What is this damage? Why isn't my teammate not doing anything? Okay, I'm back. Oh, I'm back. Yeah, let me get the Mortis. One more person. Lily's down. Let me get the power cubes. Okay, got the Mortis. And gadget. Boom. Okay, let's see what we get. Please, ultra. Oh, bruh.